I would say the ability to communicate. That has probably been the ringing context that you would hear through my videos about the ability for a project manager to communicate clearly, effectively, and with precision to make sure that everybody's on the same page and understanding how to go get the person you're trying to communicate and bring and catch them where they are and then bring them up with you. I remember Michael Jordan telling a story, and I'll make it really brief, where he talked about where the reason why he left everything on the floor was the fact that he was setting an example, because they're like, well, if Michael Jordan can do it, then why couldn't I do it? And that's the whole point of as a project manager. You have to look, you have to feel, and you have to know you are almost like the coach. You're not the player, you are the coach, and being the coach, you have to lead by example. But by leading by example, you have to be able to communicate effectively, that it gets to the person that's receiving the communication, that they understand what you're communicating.